Joe, I had the new tank up on a screw jack, and I just had to put the straps in and put the bolts in.
Yeah.
Couldn't get the bolts to get in. They were coming in on an angle. And then I had the realization. I'm like, N.E.W. Everything in here is new. Never, ever worked. And never, ever...
They never met each other. They don't know each other. You didn't have the coffee and cake laid out, did you?
No.
You didn't play a little music there?
No.
You know, put them on either side of the car and introduce them? No, none of that.
These pieces had never cohabitated together. And, you know, exacerbated by the fact that this car...
Cohabitate and exacerbate in one sentence. Oh, my God. I need a friggin' aspirin.
This car had so much metal work done to it in the back because of rust. That whole floor pan is new, as were the side panels and all. And the guys that do this over at the shop are very good at what they do.
Right.
But the floor pan has two tabs that are in the floor pan, and that's where the cage nuts go that the tank bolts go into.
There's a lot of finger motions going on here. Not the one you would think either.
I've been pointing like crazy. So... that stuff isn't original to the car. The tank is an aftermarket tank. The straps are aftermarket. So nothing had ever been together.
I got 3 words for you. Tolerance stack up.